Guys, today we're going to be continuing to learn more about lists, but today we have the quiz for lists in Python. Now, which of the following is the correct way to turn the following into a list of names? Tom, Jerry, Tweety, Sylvester. So looking at this, we can see that it's going to be this one right here because it uses the brackets and the commas. Now define a two-dimensional list called student data using the table below. Okay, student data goes here. And we have Olga here. We have Maxim here. And then we have Doug. And we have Sophie. There you go. And again, the index starts at 0. So that's why Olga is first. Alright, the Python.remove method will delete every instance of a provided value. That is false. It only removes the first matching element. Is the following list a valid Python list? My list equals Mount Everest. Yep, it is, because lists can contain multiple data types. How would you properly modify the last interview line to replace Ben with Sarah? So we can do 0, 1, 2, side index 2, we can put it as Sarah. Perfect. And which of the following is the correct way to add the number 4 to the number lists? Well, we can simply just do append, right? And then modify the two-dimensional list student hobbies so that Samantha has the hobby of football instead of cricket. So student hobbies is the name of the list, and then so the index for Samantha is going to be 0, 1, and 0, 1 again. It's going to be 1 again, yeah, and it's going to be football. There you go. And then what would be the proper way to access strawberry from the list groceries? 0, 1. Yeah, it's just 0, 1. There you go. And then how would you access 77.45? So that's 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 and then 1. Or we could just do -1, -1. That also works. Yep. Because -1 gets the last element, right? Okay, which of the following is the correct way to remove the first instance of Rio from namelist? So you can do namelist.remove Rio, and it gets rid of the first instance. Which of the following is the correct way to create an empty list? Well, you can just do this. You can just do empty list equals and then brackets that are empty. So we got 100 on this. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you're looking for internships or jobs, check out the top link in the description. You'll get links to internships and jobs right to your email every single week. And then also you'll get tips and tricks on how to secure those and how to prepare for them as well. So thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.